Spheres come in all sizes. You get little ones like this, and of course you get much bigger ones, like the planet Earth. And it's useful to remember that the planet Earth is a sphere when you have to work out the volume of one. Let me explain why. The formula to work out the volume of a sphere is divided into 3 parts. The first part, if you're working out the volume of something, you know that your answer is going to be something cubed. And the only dimension that you really have to work with a sphere is the radius. So the first part is the radius cubed. Secondly, because a sphere is round, then pi is going to be in there somewhere. So you get pi r cubed. And the only thing that you're left with is the coefficient, that number on the front, 2 or a third or something. That's the bit most people tend to forget. And the way to remember it is to think of the planet Earth and the number of continents that you've got. In the Northern Hemisphere, you've got Asia, Europe, North America. And also, if you look at Africa, the biggest bulk of Africa is actually north of the equator. So that's 4 continents. And then if you look on the bottom, you've got Antarctica, South America, and you've also got Australia down there, or Oceania if you prefer. So that's 4 continents on the top, 3 continents at the bottom. 4 over 3. And by a stunning coincidence, that's the coefficient for working out the volume of a sphere. 4/3 pi r cubed.